Practice set 5.3. Question. Write sample space S and number of sample points number of S for each of the following experiments. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write number of A, number of B, number of C. And first question. One die is rolled. This is the name of the random experiment. And the events are given below. Event A, even number on the upper face. Event B, odd number on the upper face. Event C, prime number on the upper face. Now see the solution. The name of the random experiment is one die is rolled. The sample space, yes, for this random experiment, S is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close the curly bracket. Number of S is equal to 6. Now, event A, even number on the upper face. From the sample space, collect the sample points which are even. A is equal to 2, 4, 6 and number of A is equal to 3. Event B, the condition for event B is odd number on the upper face. B is equal to, collect the odd numbers from the sample space and the sample points are 1, 3, 5. These are odd numbers and number of B is equal to 3. Condition for event C, prime number on the upper face. C is equal to, collect the prime numbers from the sample space and the sample points are C is equal to 2, 3, 5. These are prime numbers. Number of C is equal to 3. Second example. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Simultaneously means at once. Two dice are rolled. Events are given below. Event A, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is a multiple of 6. Event B, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10. Event C, the same digit on the both the upper faces. Event C, the same digit on both the upper faces. Now, how to solve this? Now the solution. First of all, write down the sample space of this random experiment. Two dice are rolled. In the previous video, how to write down the sample space of two dice are rolled, we have seen. S is equal to, write down the sample space from 1, 1 to 6, 6. Write down 6 sample points in each line. Then take 6 lines for writing the sample space. Number of S is equal to 36. Condition for event A, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is a multiple of 6. From this sample space, there are 36 sample points in the sample space. And out of these, we have to select in which the sum of the digits on the upper faces is multiple of 6. Now, according to the condition, which are the favorable outcomes, that means sample points comes in this event A is equal to 1, 5. The sum is 6 and it is multiple of 6. 2, 4, sum is 6. 3, 3, sum is 6. 4, 2, sum is 6. 5, 1, sum is 6. 6, 6, the sum is 12 and 12 is multiple of 6. Number of A is equal to 6. 6 sample points are coming in this set. That's why number of A is equal to 6. Condition for event B. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10. The condition is for minimum, not for the maximum. Now, which sample points comes in this event? B. B is equal to the highest sum up to the third line is 3 plus 6 means 9. That means that not comes in this. See this. The highest sum of the third line is 3 plus 6 means it is 9. That is not, it is not applicable for this event. Now see the next line of 4 comma 1 comma 4 comma 2. The last sample point of the fourth line, that is 4 comma 6. Yes, this comes in this event. This 4 comma 6, the sum is 10 and it is applicable for this event. Now to the next line, the sum, this 5 comma 4 is not applicable. From 5 comma 5, that means this 5 comma 5, this 5 comma 6, the sum is 11, and this 6 comma 4, this 6 comma 5, this 6 comma 6. These all sample points comes in this event, and these are 6 sample points, and the sum of the digits of the upper faces is minimum 10. That means 10 or 10 or more than 10. Number of B is equal to 6. Condition for event C. The same digit on the same digit on both the upper faces, and it is very easy. C is equal to, that means on both the die same digit occurs, 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5 comma 5 comma 6 comma 6. These are 6 sample points comes in this event. Number of C is equal to 6.